Hi, my name is Tori Xiang. Wish my panel, Tuan Noor Maisara and Dr. Noor Diana have a good day. Today, I would like to present about my FYP1. The title of my project is The Development of Measurement System with Deep Learning Based Inspection System. For the introduction part, there consists of 4 parts: motivation, problem statement, objective, and scope. Motivation. Real-time object detection and measurement systems are very vital tasks in the manufacturing industry. Object detection is often used in product quality stage in the industry. These evaluation tasks usually require the real-time dimension measurement of the object in advance. The purpose system can be applied to an industry quality control system. Next is the problem statement. Human error in the process of measurements. Human error will be happen due to the long working hour, long in measurement time, hard to get the reading from the measurement instrument, such as vernier calipers. Low efficiency, can't achieve continuity of productions. Last is the cumbersome in reading process. The part and the product must be measured in the correct ways. There are 2 objectives in this project. First, to investigate appropriate technique for development of measurement system for semiconductor by using 2D cameras. Next, to design and develop a system that can detect and measure the dimension of an object for semiconductor by using image processing techniques. Scope. A program called machine vision technology will be written using OpenCV library to recognize and measure the dimension of the object. A 2D camera will be used for the coding of machine vision and deep learning algorithms as well as image acquisition subsystems. A program called to control measurement inspection system will be written. Last, to evaluate the accuracy of the system to detect object and measure the dimension of an object. For chapter 2, the picture review, there consists 4 parts: comparison of measurement system, image processing method, type of camera, and CNN process. Comparison of measurement system. Journal title: Research on Geometric Dimension Measurement System of Sharp Parts based on Machine Vision. Camera type: CCD camera. Image processing method: grayscale, canny edge detection, half transform, object detect, shaft. Next, dimension measurements and key point detection of boxes through laser triangulation and deep learning based techniques. Camera type: laser camera. Half transform, box. An innovative optical based method and automation system for rapid and non-destruction measurements of the weight thickness of microjoule (CMOS) cameras. One-dimensional edge detection (microjoules). And embedded real-time object detection and measurements of its size (Raspberry Pi camera). Grayscale, canny edge detection. The object detect is white glasses, orange cup, bottles, and potatoes. Image processing method. Canny edge attraction is one of the popular edge detection techniques. The advantages of this technique is better detection of edges, and the disadvantages is time consuming due to complex computations. Next is Sobel algorithms. Sobel algorithm is a widely used algorithm of edge detection in image processing. The advantages of this technique are simple implementations and less sensitivity to noise. and the advantages is low accuracies. Last is half transform. This method is conceptually simple and less affected by gap and noise in the lines. And the advantages of these techniques is low and complex for detection of target with many parameters. Next is the comparison of the cameras. There are three types of cameras: digital cameras, light scan camera, and laser scan cameras. The advantages of digital cameras are easy setup, high frame rates, and cheap compared to other type cameras. The disadvantages of this camera are resolution affected by unstable lightnings. Next is light scan cameras. The advantages of this kind of camera are fast detections and high accuracy rates. The disadvantages of this camera are target object need to move in controlled manners, and it is expensive. Last is the laser scan cameras. The advantages are high speed image captures and high resolution, but it is very expensive and the target object need to move in a controlled manners. CNN process. A CNN is a deep learning algorithm which can take in an input image, assign importance to various objects in the image, and be able to differentiate one from the others. Technically, deep learning CNN model need to be trained and tested. Each input image will be passed through a series of convolution layers with filter, pooling, fully connected layers, and apply softmax function to classify an object with probabilities values between 0 and 1. For Chapter 3, Methodology, it consists of project and system flowchart, Gantt chart for FYP1 and FYP2, hardware and software, and the apparatus setup. First, we start on project overview flowchart. Start, identify project title and determines problem statement, objective, and scope. Research study and literature reviews. Then, determine the requirements and specification of system. Hardware and experiment design. Hardware and software developments. Testing the system functional and performance. Adjust and modify for the hardware and program code. If there is a problem, then we will go back to the hardware and software developments. If no problem, we will continue to the next step. Conduct experiments. Analysis and discuss on data obtained. Conclude finding from project. Next, we come to the system flowchart. Start. The object image is captured by cameras. Convert the object image into data acquisition transmitted to the computers. Then, grayscale and denoising, edge detection. Then, go to the object measurements and calibration of system. The outputting the measurement result. The table above show the Gantt chart for FYP1. The table above show the Gantt chart for FYP2. Hardware and software. The hardware is use a 2D digital camera, Logitech C31 webcams. The software we use are OpenCV and PyCharm. The OpenCV is a cross-platform library used which can develop a real-time computer version application. And PyCharm is an IDE used in computer programming. The language we use to develop the system are Python. Schematic diagram of system. The figure above shows the apparatus setup of the system. Chapter 4. Theory result. They are consist of two parts, edge detection and the expected result. Edge detection. In this slide, there are two methods of edge detection is used. One is canny edge detection and another is Sobel edge detection. From the figure above, we know that canny method can produce equally good edge with smooth continuous pieces and thin edge, while Sobel edge detection method cannot produce smooth and thin edge compared to canny's. So, from the figure above, we know that canny edge detection have a better result than the Sobel's. Expected result. The figure above shows the inspection system with measurement indicate for different objects. The system should be able to measure the width and the length of the object with camera. Conclusions. The conclusion of this project is the measurement system based on inspection system can measure the object dimension with better accuracy. The measurement system in project is use a 2D cameras and program using Python language. The future works can be done for this research is can do in 3D measurement method so that the measurements of object is more accuracy since it can measure from different angles. That's all for my presentation. Thank you.